girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so some drippin' swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so some drippin' swag too. Oh.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is DeUndrea if you're new here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a review on my Kate, my YSL Kate bag. It's just a black small one. And I got it from Saks. This is a bag. I literally got it for Christmas, so it's been like January, February, March, April, like 4 months. And I still have the bag. That's why it's kind of beat up and I moved. So yeah, I just had to keep it in the bag just for storage, and you know, I don't know why I should like to keep it. So I have it in this St. Laurent box. If you watched other videos, you probably noticed that this bag originally doesn't come in the bag. Like they'll just put it in like the St. Laurent bag and then they'll like wrap it up and everything like that. But I asked my salesperson if he could put it in a box. I was like, hey, can you put it in a box? He was really, really nice. He even got me, they were doing like some type of gift card or something like that where you get $100 off after a certain amount, but it ended the day before, and he was like, hey, I'll still do it or whatever. So I got $100 off, so that was good. So yeah, he's all really nice. So if you go inside the store, I'm pretty sure the actual St. Laurent will do it too. Just kind of see like, hey, do you have an extra box that I could put it in or something like that? They might do it. So yeah, here's the dust bag. And of course, all of them come with the dust bag. What they do, I've seen when I watch other people's videos, is like they put it in the dust bag and then they just wrap it up. Mine in the dust bag, it just says St. Laurent. And then this is the bag. It's so cute. It has gold hardware. And if you know, I love gold. Like, oh gosh, I love it. So I'm gonna do the, and I like to keep, it comes with like this in it. I like to keep it in here just so my bag can keep its shape. And then inside it came with the authenticity card, but I just keep it in the box just so I don't have to worry about like taking it out every time I wear the bag and something like that. So I just keep it in the box, and it's like this. I literally haven't even opened yet. It's still sealed. And then you can wear it crossbody and you can wear a shoulder bag, which is why I was so attracted to this bag. I originally was gonna get the I think it was just like the regular chain wallet, and it's like a chevron. I think it's the wallet on a chain. That's the one I was originally gonna get, and I think it's like $13.50. But like I went to the store, but I thought this was the wallet on the chain, because the way they had it, it was like crossbody, so I thought it was this bag. And I tried it on. I'm looking in the store, like looking in the store mirror, and I was like, oh my god, like I need this bag. I literally fell in love with it, like love at first sight. And then like he told me, he was like, hey, this isn't the wallet on the chain, this is the Kate bag. And I was like, oh gosh, like how much is this one? And he said it was $17.50. And I was with my dad, he's getting me this for my birthday. And I was like, oh, because I originally told him like it was $13.50, and he was like, this is not what you told me. And I was just like, oh, like I have to get it. It's crossbody and shoulder bag, and the other one was just only crossbody. So I kind of liked how, you know, you have two choices. So yeah, you can wear it shoulder and you can wear it crossbody. And I love like how you can put it like this. It reminds me so much of like the Chanel bag. So yeah, I really like it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys like what I fit in here. I'm a very minimal person. Like I don't really put, I just don't really carry around a lot of stuff. Like I literally just carry like my keys, my credit card, debit card, and like my AirPods, chapstick, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna like show you guys what all I can fit in here. I wear all my essentials. So of course, like I said, my key pouch, this is where I keep all my cards, my license, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, like obviously this fits pretty well. And then I keep my AirPods, put that in here. What else do I use? Chapstick, because I need this. And I do keep a lip gloss, but I can't find my lip gloss. It's probably one of my other bags, so that's why it's not here in front of me. But yeah, I usually keep like a lip gloss. I keep my stylus just because if you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should follow me on Instagram. I like to make my stories like a little bit extra, and like write on them and just do all type of stuff to my stories. So that's why I keep a stylus, just for that. I just started carrying Advil because I get really bad headaches, and I always like just don't have medicine. And I'm like, oh my god, so I just have to be stuck with this horrible headache. So I started carrying around this. So I'll keep this in my bag. My keys. And then I just have to keep a pair of glasses. I usually, like, obviously will have my glasses on, or like, you know, or like I might wear contacts that day, but I just have to keep a pair of extra glasses in my bag just in case, you know, I forget my glasses at home or something like that. You know, they'll always be in my bag. This is how everything fits. Like, it literally stores a lot. It's a small bag, but it stores a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys to just close it. And it has a lot of stuff, but like you can see, it doesn't look like super bulky or anything like that. It looks just like normal, as if I just put paper in it. I fit a lot in this bag. Oh, and I forgot about my phone, duh. I'm gonna show you guys how I can put my phone in it too. I have my phone in here. As you can see, I still have room in here. And that's some stuff. And as you can see, it still doesn't look bulky. And I was glad, you can fit so much stuff in here. And yeah, it still doesn't look bulky or anything like that. I feel like it's holding up pretty well. I don't really have any scratches on here or anything like that. But I will say this is not like my everyday bag. I feel like this is on an everyday bag just because like the hardware, I know it would get scratched so much. Cause like even though like this material, it's like the grain material, like it's really good quality. I know it, like it's black, so you won't really see the scratches or anything like that, but just because of the hardware, I just feel like it would just scratch so much. So that's why I'm like a little nervous to make it my everyday bag. And yeah, but I do wear it pretty often, as you can tell, because if you watch my other videos, this bag is literally like in all my haul videos. Because it's just black and gold, and I just wear black so much, so yeah. So next I'm just going to be showing you guys like how it fits me, crossbody and a shoulder bag. This bag, I think it's amazing. I definitely feel like you get a bang for your buck, just because like you can, you know, like there's so many ways that you can wear this bag. It's so versatile, and I just really think it's amazing. I think the size is perfect if you're very petite, or if you just don't really carry a lot of stuff. I think this bag would be perfect for you. I mean, you saw like how much stuff I can fit in here, and it's, you know, it's such a small bag. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. I know it was pretty short, but honestly, like when I'm watching these like bag reviews and just like looking at the bag, I don't really like when people talk too much. I just kind of want them to like just get straight to the point, you know, tell me how the bag looks, what can you fit, how do they look on, and that's pretty much it. So that's kind of why I wanted to keep this one short. But you know, I always love your feedback. If you would like for me to kind of explain more, let me know in the comments. But yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel if you're not. See you guys in my next video.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Ooh. You got the swag, so some tip the swag too. Ooh.
I may be young, but I'm ready.